Spotting authentic affiliate marketing experts versus deceptive individuals. Have you ever come across promises of instant success in affiliate marketing? Let's delve into these bold claims and uncover the reality behind them. Affiliate marketing has the potential to be a game changer, but the industry is inundated with what are often referred to as gurus. Distinguishing between genuine people and those who are not can be challenging. It's essential to be wary, as many fake gurus are dispensing misleading advice and making false assurances. They entice aspiring marketers with the promise of quick wealth, but following their guidance often leads to disappointment and wasted resources. Fake gurus employ various tactics to deceive you. They often make exaggerated income claims, flaunt fabricated testimonials, and sell pricey courses that fail to deliver. These warning signs are prevalent, and detecting them early on is critical. So, how can you discern between the two? Authentic experts focus on providing tangible value. They share practical insights and transparent results, highlighting the sheer hard work and dedication required for success. In stark contrast, fake gurus are more inclined to make flashy promises and engage in quick money-making schemes. Genuine gurus prioritize offering value and transparency. It's always advisable to conduct thorough research before following any advice. Have you encountered any experiences with affiliate marketing gurus? Feel free to share your stories in the comments section, and remember to subscribe for more insights on identifying online business scams. And as always, make sure to verify that it's not a scam. This is Scott, signing off. Peace out.